engine was puffing along the branch line with his two coaches, Annie and Clarabelle. Thomas loves Annie and Clarabelle. They're his favorite coaches on the line. One time, Thomas was puffing along, and he was having a nice time. And if Thomas is cross, he's not cross with Annie and Clarabelle. One time, Thomas had to wait at a signal. "Come on," said Thomas. "When is the signal going to start?" But then Percy came by. "Hi, Percy," said Thomas. "How are you?" "Not feeling well today. I think I have a boiler ache." "That's okay," said Thomas. "I've had boiler aches many times in my life." They were chatting to each other. The conductor blew his whistle. Thomas started. He was having a nice time. Then he had to stop. "Why did we stop?" said Thomas. "I'm confused." The conductor told him what had happened. Thomas was really confused. "Come on," said Thomas. But then, all of a sudden, a person ran up. It was Sir Topham Hatt. He was really tired. Thomas didn't realize he had made a mistake. "Yay," said Thomas. "The signal's down. We can go."